guys, welcome back to the Best Buddies YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a cute little bird house for your fake bird or your real bird. That's your choice. I made this cute bird in my last video and I am going to show you guys now how to make its house. And you can keep these birds for show outside your house, hanging it somewhere. Well, that's your choice. So yeah, for that you'll be needing glue, some cotton for its eggs. If you don't want eggs, you can leave that. You need a box, some wool, and some scissors, and your bird. That's it. So yeah, let's get started. So first, I'm going to take my wool. As you can see, I'm using a red color. You can use any color you wish. I like red. Okay, so I'm just gonna unwrap it like this, and I am going to take its first point, and I am going to cap fell off. I'm going to just keep some glue on its first part over here. Just a bit, not too much of it. There's glue stuck on it, dry glue. Okay, let's try it. Not too much, just a tiny bit. Okay. It came off, guys, and it came on my finger. It looks like the glue bottle puked on me, but whatever. So, let's just keep it over here like this. Actually, not here. I wanted to start from over here. So I'm just gonna take this. Now, over here, I thought of wrapping it around on the top edge, but it doesn't look, it'll look good if I just leave it. I felt it'll look good if I just leave it. So, I'm just gonna leave the top part white, and the rest of it, I am just going to wrap it around here. Just like that. You don't have to glue everything. It's enough if you just glue the first and the last parts. So you can see here, there's already a bit of glue on the cup. So it's kind of just staying there. So I'm just gonna stick it here like this. I'm just gonna push it down a bit. As you can see, I like layering it in only one color. You can use any color. You can use how many ever colors you wish. So yeah, I'll just finish the whole cup and I'll be right back. So guys, I have finished it and I just cut it. Now I have glued the last part, so don't just abruptly cut it off. You want to glue it and then cut it. As you can see, I have glued this part, but it just keeps coming off. Come on, mister, I glued you. You have to stay there. Okay, so I've glued it like this. Now you can cover this with a cover paper, or you can color paper, or you can just put some wool on this as well. I just wanted to leave it, it kind of looked nice, so I just wanted to leave it like that. So now I'm just gonna make the part where you want to hold it up and you want to make it look nice. So I'm just gonna make that part, and I'm gonna show you guys, but first I need to select what color I need wool. Guys, I am using these two threads, the orange and the purple ones. So I'm just gonna keep it here and I'm just gonna do that. Now I'm just gonna make sure that I just secure that in the end. I'm just gonna keep doing this. I'm just gonna roll it. I'm just gonna keep doing this. I hope you guys can see that. Roll, roll, roll. I am going to place some glue on the center of the cup, plus two sides as well. So I'm going to place glue like this, okay? According to the glue, I have stuck it like this, exactly at the center. Now this is done. Now you can just push these aside, leave them be, and you can take a paper. I have this paper. You can use any color, and it can be a waste sheet or a nice sheet. That is up to you. Now I'm just using a bad sheet, which I don't need anymore. I'm gonna take my scissors, which is over here. I'm gonna cut a tiny part of here just to show you a demo of what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna cut that, okay? This is just a demo. Now I'm just gonna cut really tiny lines really tiny ones, guys. Remember that? Really, really, really tiny ones. Where is it? Okay. You can see it in the cup over here. That's how it's gonna be. Now you wanna cut another really, really tiny one. Tiny, 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 tiny one. And just tear it and throw it in. Now you just wanna make tiny, tiny cuts like this. And this is kind of like the hay or the dry grass that the bird used to build its nest. So I'm just getting it in this orangish peachish color to make it look like real hay. I've seen hay before. That's why I took this color. Okay, so I'm making real hay. I'm trying to make real hay. I'm just gonna... So this is only a demo, guys. I'm gonna make lots more of this. Okay, so, yeah, that's it. Guys, now you can see I went ahead and I put a knot in the specific place over here. So I'm just gonna open it on all four sides and just keep it here. And you see the center point, actually. Yeah, you see the center point over here. I'm just gonna place that point on the knot. Ah, sticky fingers. Okay, so I'm just gonna place it on the knot like that. And then I'm just gonna get them over like this. Okay, so I got this one. You can glue it, but I didn't want to glue it. I just wanted to, you know, tie it up on the top over here like this, like that. And just put it on the top here as well. And that's how it's gonna look now. Now I'm just gonna tie it on the top and I'm gonna show it to you guys. Guys, I have made this hay or the strings that they use for the nest, the birds, and it's just this paper, this waste paper I just had with me. I just cut it into tiny pieces to make the hay, or this, whatever you call it. Now I am going to take this cotton which I kept. If you have strings, you can use that or anything else, but I just like using cotton. So I'm gonna make a tiny round and keep that's one egg right there. Now you can just make cute little eggs with this. It's really easy, not a big deal to make eggs. And it's not that hard. You just take some cotton, roll it into balls. You can make tiny eggs, you can make big eggs, and you can change the variety of them. So I like how I made some of them big, some of them small. So I'm gonna limit it to 3 eggs, okay? Yeah. Guys, so I thought I'd limit it to 3 eggs, but I have made 4 eggs. It just looked cute, so I made 4 eggs. Now, this is my bird. It kind of looks like an owl, doesn't it? Okay, so this is my bird. I made it in my last video. So, yeah. I'm just gonna bend it a bit, curve it a bit, make that big. So over here, I'm gonna add some glue, and I'm just gonna stick it on this place over here. Let me just show you guys. I'm gonna keep the center. I'm gonna glue some in the center. So I've added the glue. I'm gonna just bend it a bit, and I'm gonna keep the glue area and stick it on over here. It's not exactly sticking the way I wanted it. Now you can wrap the whole thing with tape and place it on if you like, but I think glue is better. Oh, it's tight. Guys, I'm just gonna take this glue and I am going to squeeze a bit of glue on the center over there. And you can tape the whole thing together if you like, but I just want to keep some glue and just stick it on this rim of the cup. So guys, this is how it looks. It's the 4 eggs in there, and this is like the mama bird sitting on top waiting for its eggs to hatch. And you can just put it around like that and just lift it, and you can hang it. I will show you guys where I'm gonna hang it. So yeah. Guys, there the nest is hanging about, and the eggs inside may not be visible, but at least it is seen that the mother bird is sitting and waiting for its eggs to hatch. So that's it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.